So this is going to be our prediction for the day on Swiss franc JPY. So I want you guys to have it in mind that Swiss franc JPY will continue the bullish move. It is able to take out this previous high, thereby giving us a new high. So now whatever you would want to be doing on Swiss franc JPY, guys, going for the buy, going for the buy and hold your buy position, because in the long run, Swiss franc JPY is going to be giving us a bullish move, right? So in the long run, Swiss franc JPY will be giving us a bullish move. Now, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now zoom it out, guys, and take a look at the trend on Swiss franc JPY. It is very clear that Swiss franc JPY on an uptrend move. We are clearly trending to the upside right here, right? Now this is the high that Swiss franc JPY did give us. This is the high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market was now able to push up into form a new higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Now markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Then here comes the higher low, right? Which you can see as an equal higher low right here. You can see it as an equal higher low. Now markets should be continuing to give us that bullish move, able to give us a new higher high by taking out this previous high. So a bullish move, what we are going to be anticipating for on our Swiss franc JPY. So Swiss franc JPY should continue to give us that bullish move. So it is able to form a new high by taking out this previous high. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Now take a look at this moment right here, guys. This is the first high that market did give us, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Then market push up one more time again to give us a new higher high, and this is at higher low currently. So guys, in your London section, once the London section opens, look for a buy setup after the higher low is playing out, and push it, sit push up. So for the day, right, we would expect Swiss franc JPY to give us a bullish move.